Helen Keller. It was the summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen Keller. But one day the baby became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high. Temperature kept on increasing every day. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but all they could say was, "There is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live." Helen lived, of course, she survived that, she lived. But she was not the same after her illness, her sickness. "Something is very wrong," her mother said. At last, they found out what was wrong. The child could not see or hear. She was blind, all right, and she could not hear. The baby grew into a little girl. Her parents felt sorry for her. Helen often cried and held on to her mother. She gave the poor child what she wants. Her father give the poor child what she wants, her father would say, because Helen kept on crying and all. So sometimes mother could not understand. The father said, whatever she wants, give it to her. Why she's crying? Though Helen could not hear or see, she was a bright little girl. Some people thought Helen could not learn anything, but her mother did not agree. Helen is very smart, she said, and added, "The problem is, how can we reach her?" Means the problem was, according to mother, she was a bright student, her daughter was a bright student, but there was some problem which they could not understand. All right. She is locked up inside herself. Here, locked up doesn't mean that you enter the door and you lock it. Here it means she was just confined to herself. She never interacted with anyone. She never came close to anyone. She was totally in herself. Means अपने आप में रहना, किसी को ना देखना, ना किसी से बात करना, कुछ नहीं. She was just confined to herself. Helen began to grow wild. Wild means unruly. She was not disciplined. वो बहुत in a way you can say ill-mannered. She was becoming like we have domestic animals, we train them, and then we have wild animals. They are very ferocious. So same way Helen was growing up to be very wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Clothes were always dirty. She was often angry. Sometimes she even lay on the floor and kicked her feet. Her parents thought that they should find a teacher for her. Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. DOLL spells doll. She spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. She made the letters with special hand signs. Helen copied her teacher and spelled DOLL. Doll, it means two. But she did not understand what she was doing. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. She was strict but kind. She spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand, day and night, to make Helen understand. One day, her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Then she spelled water, WATER. She spelled the word. Suddenly, Helen understood that WATER meant something wet running over her hand. She understood that words were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. Okay, Children, these word meanings. So you, after my video, when you are free, please read the lesson. Okay, underline the difficult words, and these are the words I'm going to give you their meanings, and you will write in your copies. And these are the questions I will give you in the for copy. So you will do in the copy. I will send the pages also, and few exercises. There is one more question which you will do in your copy. What do people who cannot see read? Okay, they read Braille. I told you it is a system of raised dots that can be read. So these questions along with this you will do in your copies, and these signs, children, see, you can, they're very interesting, so you can do practice. Okay, and here there is one exercise. All right, so do this also. I'll click the pages and I'll send. Thank you.